I know mamas, I am one, so I know there's two things we want more of: time and money. Today, we're gonna talk about money. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of Cloth Cuties, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and what's up to all my new subscribers? I'm so glad you guys have decided to join us. You guys, I am so excited today because we are talking about one of my favorite topics. And as they say in the Black church, how do you spell love? M-O-N-E-Y. And because I love you guys so much, we're going to talk about money today and how it impacts cloth diapering. Y'all, it's more than a couple coins in your pocket. Legit. So this is big stuff, and if you hear something today that resonates with you, that makes you excited about saving money, or if you've already saved money on cloth diapering, tell us how excited you are about it. Drop it in the comments below because another mom needs to hear about your experience. I say it's a lot on my social media channels, so I'm pretty sure you could already fill in the blank. But cloth diapering saves you about how much money? Yes, that's right, about $2,000 per baby. Y'all, disposable diapers are expensive. So I'm going to tell you 4 things I want you to consider today. All right, here's the first thing. I want you to do me a favor. Look at your mom on your left and look at the mom on your right. Did you know that one of these 3 moms has had to cut back on necessities to be able to afford disposable diapers? Guys, 1 in 3 moms are having to choose between diapers and a necessity. And I don't know about you, but that doesn't sit well with me. No mom should ever have to choose between diapers, food, daycare, or any other basic essential need because the cost of diapers is too high. So the next thing, if you consider every diapering year, and most babies are in diapers from infancy through 3 years old, every diapering year, you can save $1,000 on diapers. And you already know that cloth diapers, a whole stash that can get you through from infancy through toddlerhood, you can spend, maybe if you want to go this high, $500 on your stash. $500 versus spending $3,000 over the cloth diapering lifespan of a baby. And the reason I usually use that stat of saving $2,000 is because cloth diaper babies usually potty train faster. So you might not be in diapers throughout that second year after baby turns 2 going up until they're 3. The third thing, and in my opinion, one of the most impressive ways to benefit from cloth diapering is to choose cloth early on. You want to choose cloth with your first baby so you can reuse those diapers on your second, third, fourth, fifth baby. Yes, you save so much money because you don't have to buy a new stash of diapers. You can just use the ones you bought previously. So you're like multiplying the savings across multiple babies. Girl, who don't want that? The fourth and final point is that cloth diapering can save you on doctor's appointments. Now, earlier this month, I already talked about the environmental costs of cloth diapering. And there I'm talking about like your health, well-being, the chronic diseases, asthma and diarrhea and all this other kind of stuff that happens as a side effect of Black and brown people living near landfills. But now I'm talking about, in addition to all that and doctor's visits that you might incur because of all that, because of, diapers being in landfills, you can also save practically day to day on diaper rash visits. By using cloth diapers, you won't have to take your baby as often, if at all, to a doctor appointment for diaper rashes. That is huge because you save the copay, you save the time you had to take off work to take the baby to the doctor's office, and maybe some lost wages up in there. The medicine that you take to kind of heal or treat the diaper rash, those are basic everyday costs that cloth diapering can save you in the long run. Diaper rash is a common diagnosis at doctors, and us moms can save time and money from taking off work to cure a diaper rash. Y'all, it gets me so hyped when I can think about what I can do with the money that I save from cloth diapering. That's more time that you get to spend with your baby, making memories, loving on them, loving on yourself, pampering yourself, or even just putting that to basic use, basic needs, basic things that we need for our families to survive and thrive every day. But if you don't have to choose to spend your money, thousands of dollars, on diapers, you can reinvest that money back into your family where it belongs. So, did any of these facts, these little nuggets, inspire or move you or resonate with you? If they did, let me know in the comments and share with me what's your favorite way to save money using cloth diapering. That is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you always know when I upload a new video, and head over to clothcuties.com where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye guys.